Hey y'all, welcome back to Cooking with
Tam and Tram.
Today we will be making Bánh Bột Chiên, which is fried rice cakes and eggs. This is a popular Vietnamese street food, which is very simple and easy to put together in no time. So y'all, let's get started. First, we're going to get a block of rice cake from our local Asian store.
And cut it into strips, and then into little rectangular bite-sized pieces. And then transfer them to a bowl and add soy sauce to season them. Make sure to mix well to ensure all the pieces are coated, and let it sit for about 15 minutes to marinate. In the meantime, let's quickly create our dipping sauce. So to a small bowl, add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of sugar, and stir well to dissolve and set it aside for later. Also, to make it spicy, you can add sauteed chili oil, chili paste, or sliced Thai chili. Now, add enough oil to a pan and fry the rice cake pieces on medium-high heat. Let them sit on one side for 2 to 3 minutes or until they are crispy and golden brown, and then repeat it on the other side. At this point, your rice cake should be crispy on the outside, so go ahead and drain some of the oil off and reduce the heat and crack your eggs and add them to a pan as well as some green onions and chopped sweetened radish for that extra crunch and flavor, and cook it for 2 minutes or so or until your egg is cooked enough to your preference. Once the eggs are cooked, transfer it to a serving plate and garnish it with some more chopped green onions and fried shallots. And here is the final product, Bánh Bột Chiên. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to check out our other videos for more delicious recipes and leave a comment sharing your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!